Let's take a look of what's in here. Come and watch what's inside.